It's my first ever studio vlog. First step, unpacking orders. Let's sanitize our hands. I've been experimenting on a new and sustainable packaging for my shop, and here I am making them. It really takes a lot of time and effort to make this. I hope you loved it. To be honest, having a small business is really fun, especially when someone supports and motivates you on this journey. But there will always be hard times, sad days, and it doesn't mean to quit and stop doing things that makes you happy. To my co-sellers out there, all of these products, especially our new stash scrunchies. If you want to support us, you can visit my shop link on the description box below. I am so tired that day, so I continue packing orders the next day. As you can see, I am using this fabric refresher to make my scrunchies smells good. Third step, unpacking orders, is checking the quality of all the products. Fourth step is packing them on the envelope packaging that we made earlier.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Thank you for watching my first ever vlog. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!